sorry I look like this, okay? There's a reason for it, so just relax. Don't leave the channel, okay? Don't click out of this video, just relax. Let me explain why my hair looks like this. So in today's video, I'm about to show you guys this fantastic Prepoo routine that I just discovered, and I'm here to just share with you guys. You guys know that I'm all about Prepooing my hair. I love to encourage you guys to Prepoo your hair, and I also love to Prepoo my hair, right? Because it helps to improve my hair's health and my hair's growth tremendously. And I want you to improve your hair as well, okay? I don't just want to be carrying fine hair up and down. I want you as well watching this video. I want you right there. I want you to have healthy, beautiful hair as well. So yeah, I'm here to just show you guys this item, this very cheap, very affordable, easy to find, nothing out of the ordinary item that is going to transform your hair. It's going to improve your hair tremendously when you add it to your hair care regimen, especially in your Prepoo routine. So if you want to know what this fantastic item is, then you definitely need to keep watching. I get a lot of messages from people when I chat to them about hair at different points, where they just tell me that, oh, natural hair is so stressful. And then especially when I'm talking to them about Prepooing, because Prepooing is something that I started doing consistently to my hair in this year 2020, and it has made a lot of difference in my hair growth. And every time I meet people that talk about how their hair is so stressful to manage, especially people that are rocking their natural hair, yeah, that's most times that's the complaints I get from people, that natural hair is so stressful. And I always disagree with them. I'm like, natural hair is not stressful if you don't, you know, maintain that type of perspective towards it. If you see it as something that you are devoted to and you're serious about, it's something you can manage without feeling stressed out or, you know, worked up about the whole process. So this video right here is one of the ways you can make your natural hair journey very easy for yourself. So like I said at the beginning, before I digressed a little, Prepooing is something I talk about a lot, and right now I'm going to be trying something for the first time. I've actually not tried it before in my time in the art of Prepooing my hair, right? I've never tried this before. I saw a video recently on Instagram where someone was imbibing this method to Prepooing, and I'm like, yeah, this makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to be Prepooing my hair using just one single product, one very easy to get product, especially for people that live here in Nigeria and Africa as a whole. This product that I'm going to be using to Prepoo my hair is something you can get anywhere, and it's not expensive at all. You can get a decent amount of this product for as low as 100 naira. Yeah, as low as 100 naira. So yeah, using just 100 naira, you can Prepoo your hair and have very healthy, very thick and very beautiful hair. This fantastic product that I'm talking about is shea butter. So this is my shea butter right here, right? This is my shea butter. This is a lot. This is definitely not 100 naira worth, but you can get, if it's something that, if you're saving money and you're not down for spending a lot of money, you can just meet one of these people that sell this item right here and get a very little quantity. And if you buy shea butter worth 100 naira, you can get a couple of use out of it. You can use it a couple of times before you run out, right? So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be Prepooing my hair using just shea butter. So first of all, you want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled, and while you are Prepooing your hair with this product, you start to put them in sections. So what I have here is my hair. I just took out my butterfly locks. I already showed you guys how I made that hair, how I took it down, what I think about that hairstyle. And yeah, I must tell you guys that that hairstyle right there, it's a very fantastic protective style. It really helped my hair grow, and I got a couple of inches extra in my length. And yeah, I'm very excited about that. If you want to see that video, I'm going to link it somewhere here, so you can go ahead to go check that out right after watching this video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use my hand to just part my hair into two. If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you know I like to work in quadrants when it comes to my hair. So after packing it in two, let me first of all section this out. Just use my crocodile clip to just hold it in place, right? Like so. So once that is done, I'll section this part as well into two. Like so, something like this. It doesn't have to be equal. The point is you're just sectioning your hair. And I'm just going to hold this section as well down with my crocodile clip. So I'm working with this section first of all, and all I'm going to do now is just take this right here. I have some on the cover, so I'm just going to work with that one first before I now start digging into the remaining products. Prepooing your hair helps to soften your hair even before washing. And if you've not seen a video where I really talk in depth about the advantages of prepooing your hair. I'm going to link that video right here, so you can go ahead also to go check that out right after watching this video. But prepooing your hair is so important. It makes wash day very easy, it makes wash day like a walk in the park for you. And yeah, I can't overemphasize the importance of prepooing. So all I'm doing now is I'm just rubbing some of that shea butter that I put on my palm on my hair. I rub it in between my palm just to warm it up a little bit, just to make it melt, because the shea butter, if you know shea butter, it solidifies a lot. So yeah, you need to just rub it in your palm a little just to make it become oily, make the consistency oily, something like this. I don't know if you guys can see how oily my hand looks, but yeah, you want to rub it on your hand just to warm it up a little bit. And then once that is done, you rub it on the hair. Make sure that you're very generous with it. With me, generally, I'm always very generous with my products. I'm very, very generous. So just keep rubbing that in. Make sure that it really gets in there. Shea butter is also great for reducing tangling in your hair. If you had a hairstyle on where, you know, especially braids, you know how when you take down your braids, the roots start to knot up. To just loosen up that root, all you need to do is just apply a little bit of shea butter on your fingertips and just rub it on the roots where you're having, you know, the locks and tangles, and it will just, you know, separate it for you easily. So shea butter is very, very rich. On somewhere on this screen, I'm going to list out some of the advantages of shea butter. Shea butter is something that a lot of naturalistas, right, people that rock their 4C natural hair or 3C or whatever C or whatever A or B type of hair that you have, shea butter is something that a lot of people, natural girls like me, like to add to their hair care routine. And this right here is something you can just do if you can't be bothered to be making aloe vera juice and all those other juice that I always, you know, advise you guys to do. This right here is a very, very simple prepoo routine. Once this is done, you can just leave it in your hair for 30 minutes before going ahead to wash your hair. Also, you don't want to miss your roots, right, the roots of your hair. So I'm just going to apply some of these products as well on my edges and right here as well, just to soften any product buildup or any dirt and just give me strong and healthy hair. Can you guys see how nourished my hair looks right here? Once I wash my hair, it just makes my hair feel even much better than it does right here. It just gives my hair this beautiful sheen to it. Shea butter is just amazing, amazing, and amazing. I'm just looking up right here to be sure that my hair is in focus and you guys can really get to see what my hair looks like. So yeah, this video is very, very short, very, very brief. Like I said, I was just about to wash my hair and I decided to record this process for you guys, my natural girls that always come to my channel for tips and tricks on how to manage their hair. I'm going to repeat the same process, this exact same thing on all the sections of my hair. Like I said, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 4, and once I'm done, I'll just come back and wrap up this video for you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind, my mind.
All right guys, so I'm done and this is what the hair looks like. Looking hella nice. Very simple, very easy. This right here is my very simple, easy, cheap, affordable prepoo routine that can work for all hair types. So don't worry, if your hair is relaxed as well, you can try this out as well. If you're also the kind of person that doesn't, you know, wash your hair by yourself, don't worry. If it's something that, okay, you can't even be bothered to do anything on your hair, you would rather just do it at a salon, go with your shea butter, give your hairstylist to apply your shea butter on your hair for you, and you're good to go. If you're also the kind of person that, you know, can just do it by yourself, before you go to your salon or your hairstylist, just quickly apply your shea butter on all sections of your hair and then go to your salon and have them, you know, take good care of your hair. If you're also relaxed, before you go to retouch your hair or relax your hair or perm your hair, depending on what you choose to call that process for yourself, apply shea butter like this all over your hair. It helps to reduce burning. You know, the burning issue that most people that relax their hair usually have. This right here is going to prevent it, right? Even if it doesn't prevent it, it's going to reduce the chances of your hair getting burnt in the process of getting relaxed tremendously. It's going to reduce the chances of it happening tremendously. So yeah, this is pretty much it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to hop in the shower, wash my hair, and style my hair in a very simple protective style. I'm sure you guys saw the beginning of the video where I showed you guys my current hair length. You guys, my hair in 2020 has been hella popping, okay? I feel like my hair consoles me every single time I think about how rough this hair has been. When I think of at least my hair grew in 2020, even if 2020 did not do anything for me, my hair grew in 2020. And for the longest time, I used to believe that, oh, my hair cannot grow the way I see people with very long, very healthy hair. Whenever I see those types of hair, I used to feel like, oh my God, my hair cannot be like that. Those people just have naturally long and healthy hair. Any hair, there's no unhealthy hair. I don't want to hear any subscriber on my channel saying that they have unhealthy hair, okay? I was talking to my friend the other day and she was telling me that, Funbi, is like your hair is just naturally good, your hair just grows well. No, 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 no. This time last year, that was not the story for me. I used to be like that as well. And I want you guys to get that, you know, opinion out of your hair. If you're serious about growing your hair would definitely grow. And this video right here is one of those types of videos that will encourage you, help you guys grow your hair very strong, very healthy. So yeah, all right guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. It encourages me and makes me know that you guys got value, and giving my video a thumbs up also makes other people find my video easily. You don't want to hoard knowledge, okay? Give me that big fat thumbs up. It's very cheap, very easy to just click that thumbs up, that hand that looks like this, just click it and give me my big fat thumbs up so other people are also able to find this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still watching me right now and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscribing to my channel encourages me and makes me know that I'm doing something right. So you guys should just please, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. If you don't share my video with your friends also, please do well to share my video with your friends. You don't know how you might be able to help that your friend, okay? Your friend might be struggling with their hair, and this kind of videos, content similar to what I share on my channel, will probably be able to help your friend, your sister, your auntie, your mommy, your grandma, okay? Share my video with any of those people to you, okay? And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Before you go, don't click out of this video, okay? You guys know the process. Before you go, please do well, watch something. I have my most recent upload somewhere on this screen, either here or here, I'm not sure, somewhere on this screen. So please go ahead and click that most recent upload, or watch any of my playlists. I'll have one playlist linked here for you guys. So either here or here, I don't know where it is, somewhere on this screen. Just click on the playlist or the most recent upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.